Smart City Futures is the brainchild of the heads of 3 of the universities of Manchester, and it's a no-brainer. Basically, it's a participatory event that brings together policymakers, researchers, professionals and the communities that they all work together into one arena to talk about how they can make their communities more sustainable. Today was about bringing the leaders of Manchester, therefore the stakeholders that we hope will join us on this journey towards this big event. And trying to collect all their experience and their resources and their knowledge. And also we've done things in a fairly different way. So we got rid of the boardroom table and we got rid of, I find boardroom tables not the best way of getting everybody around the room to actually have a voice. So we've broken down all the barriers. We've had people up working on ideas together, brainstorming together, feeding back to each other so that every single person who came along to today's event had a chance to share their knowledge and their experience. We warmed up the audience just to kind of give an overview of where we've come from and why I'm here by doing a couple of short presentations. I talked a little bit more about the methodologies that we use to make sure that everyone in the arena gets to participate in the event. James showed some slides about exactly where this journey had started and how it's got to where it is now.
What excited me about Smart City Futures, it is 3 universities working together to try and create a different sort of change. And the way we thought we'd do it is firstly by sharing the best practice we have. And between now and July 2009, there are something like 27 themed events already planned where we're showing off how we are working together with you. And in your packs is the first stage of what we're calling a showcase prospectus. Secondly, we want to work together with you all in partnership. This is about how do we work together. You know, the word partnership has been used a lot around the room. How do we take this forward in a meaningful way? So, at the moment, the way we see it is that the knowledge we have is fragmented and we don't actually share it enough. We can create new solutions, and the 3 universities working together with our city regional partners will really make a difference. And what we're all desperate to do is to get Greater Manchester to be a world leader. We are called the knowledge capital, we have to become one.
But I think what it's really achieved is at the end of today we sat down and everyone in the room, and there were a lot of stakeholders from very different arenas, committed to doing something that's actually going to make this journey work. But it will be very much about bringing case studies from across the world so that we can all learn from each other's experience and each other's successes and each other's failures.
Barcelona is a very interesting example of a great industrial second city of a nation. And in fact, there's even a Manchester district of Barcelona, which is the old textile district. But what's interesting is really the vision, the creativity, cutting corners through innovation, how in a very short period of time, and also around a major sporting event, Olympics there, Commonwealth Games here, Barcelona has been to completely reinvent itself and also tackle the huge social problems that they have, which we too share. So we share the ability to be creative and innovative, but we also share the unacceptable levels of unemployment, poverty that we need to tackle, and I think this event can help to deal with both of those things.
Universities are used to working internationally and seeing what's going out in the great, big wide world and bringing back that knowledge and helping to share it, and sharing it now with the people who are on the ground, the doers as it were, in Greater Manchester. That should put us in a much stronger position to take the next level of development up, really up several grades.
Actually, what we should really be looking to achieve is to make sure that the cities that we operate within, that we may live in, that we may work in, really do become sustainable for the future, offer great opportunities, are tremendous places, and maximise all the capability and capacity that's available to them.
We basically had people working hard to try and tell us what they know about all of these issues and to try and figure out which of the issues were most important and the issues that we need to concentrate on to make Smart City Futures effective.